Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money from referrals in Revolut. If you have a Revolut account, you'll be able to make money by simple sharing and inviting people. So as you can see here, once you're inside the account, you have invite friends, you earn 1500 jet run, and you can basically just simple tap on that and you will have the option to sign up for your link. So you can simple choose that, and you can simply choose the option that says invite friends, right? So if you tap on invite friends, you will be able to copy the link. It says share link. You simply tap on that and you will receive a link that is there that you can easily share with anyone. So once you go ahead and choose whichever app you want to share it through, you will be able to basically share it. So I can choose, for example, WhatsApp or whatever, and I can share the link. And if someone sign up for Revolut, create an account, make some payment and start to use Revolut, as of course, you easily go ahead and you start making money. Now, another way how you can easily make money from Revolut, guys, is by simply doing transfers. So if you have money on your account and you want to, for example, get into crypto or something like that, you can add money to those different accounts. So you have a bunch of different accounts here. So let's say you want to add something to, for example, ETH or Bitcoin. You tap on that and you can buy those different Bitcoins. And as you can see, it's going up like crazy. So if you want to purchase some, you can go ahead and you can start purchase, and you basically get into the act of trading and start making money with Bitcoin. So you can basically just transfer money and you make money. Now, another way, it does not earn you much, but I'm going to show you another way how to make money with Revolut. So you have the option that says more. You tap on that and you have the option that says exchange. You tap on that, guys, and you're able to basically exchange money from one currency to the next. So you can easily go ahead and exchange money and you can earn a little bit of interest based on that.